To manage permissions on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you will have to scroll down and find the privacy protection. Let's go in there, and from here, there's the switch for all permissions. Press it, and right here you have the permission manager with all of these permissions which you can manage. So select any of these permissions which you'd like to manage. Like for example, you would like to change the location permissions. So find location and tap on it. And right here there are applications, the list of these applications which are allowed to use the permission for the location, that are allowed only while you are using these applications, and that are not allowed. So now all you simply have to do is just select this application which you like. For example, wants to disable this permission, so go for this application and press don't allow. And now, as you can see, this application is now not allowed to use location. And if you want to grant the location permission to some application, finally you can find it right here in this not allowed. And let's for example allow these permissions for Google Maps, and from here you have to tap on the allow all the time, or you can for example select allow only while using the application. And now the Google Maps application has now these permissions to use location, and the same principle applies to all of these permissions right here. You can manage all of them, and here's the list of all of these applications for each of these permissions which can have these permissions granted. Yeah, that's it. So that's how you can do this. Thank you for watching.